Yeah, like it wasn't much, but he did sort of like brush past me a bit, which you don't really get out here. You don't really get people brushing past you like he did. Usually they'd just sort of like make a little noise or say excuse me or mutter something, not just like that's the most I've been impressed, which is that guy that literally just tried to use the coffee machine. That's considered a hard press in Japan, you guys. That's considered like a 10-ton press.